The PlayStation Portal is finally here, and today we're diving into the best games you can play on this handheld device. While the games on the Portal may not surpass the PlayStation 5, it's perfect for laid-back gaming, whether you're playing in bed, on the couch, or not aiming for competitive play. We've put together a list tailored for such occasions. Anyways, let's jump right into it. Kicking off our gaming showcase is none other than Assassin's Creed Mirage. Now, we all know the Assassin's Creed series has seen its share of changes, especially as it delved into RPG territory. Ubisoft quickly recognized the need for a nostalgic twist and decided to revisit the roots that made the series a hit. Enter Assassin's Creed Mirage, a game that brings back the beloved parkour, movement mechanics, and combat system, reminiscent of the earlier Assassin's Creed titles, but with a significant upgrade. The narrative shifts its focus to the origins of Basim, a familiar face from Assassin's Creed Valhalla. While Mirage opts for a more concise and linear story compared to its open-world predecessors, it compensates with a plethora of engaging side missions and quests. Despite a smaller map and a shorter narrative, Mirage manages to refine the Assassin's Creed experience. So if you're ready for a classic blend with a modern twist, Assassin's Creed Mirage is a definite go-to on the new PlayStation Portal. Now let's dive into the adrenaline-pumping world of Devil May Cry 5. This installment marks a triumphant return for the series, delivering the intense and over-the-top melee combat fans have come to adore. With your trusty pair of handguns and a dazzling array of sword-swinging combos, Devil May Cry 5 brings style to a whole new level. Mix and match different combos and weapons to rack up those sweet style points. The dynamic rating system keeps a keen eye on your combat prowess, rewarding effective and aggressive play. Drawing inspiration from previous DMC games, the combat system is finely tuned for maximum impact. Expect some nods to the series' history, seamlessly woven into the story and gameplay. As you embark on your journey, you'll take control of 3 distinct characters across various missions. Dante and Nero make their anticipated returns, joined by a fresh face, the Devil. May Cry 5 not only delivers action-packed gameplay, but also weaves a thrilling narrative accompanied by crisp visuals. Encounter a variety of enemy types, each requiring you to master the unique abilities of each character. In the realm of heart-pounding action, Devil May Cry 5 stands tall, making it a must-play on the new PlayStation Portal. Now let's venture into the captivating world of Ghost of Tsushima, Director's Cut. This action-packed open-world adventure unfolds during the Mongol invasions of the 13th century, offering an enriched experience on your PlayStation Portal. The Director's Cut introduces a new island, a fresh storyline, and exclusive features tailored to elevate your gaming journey. Unlike a conventional button masher, Ghost of Tsushima demands patience and mastery of combat intricacies. As a true samurai, you'll learn the art of dodging, parrying, and striking strategically. While challenging, the effort pays off with a single well-executed counterattack capable of dispatching multiple foes. Armed with the Sakai Storm Katana, you'll unlock a variety of combos, enhancing the overall combat experience. Additionally, tactical advantages come into play with bows, bombs, and darts. Exclusive to PlayStation 5, Ghost of Tsushima, Director's Cut leverages features like DualSense haptic feedback. The adaptive triggers provide a tactile experience, with trigger resistance felt when shooting arrows. Every detail, from walking on grass to engaging in combat, is brought to life through the controller's immersive haptic feedback. Immerse yourself in this epic adventure on the new PlayStation Portal for an unparalleled gaming experience. Finally, swinging into our lineup is Marvel's Spider-Man 2, the much-anticipated sequel by Insomniac. Get ready to reunite with iconic characters like Sandman, Mary Jane, Harry Osborn, Venom, and Norman Osborn, adding a new layer of depth to the Spider-Man universe. In a notable twist, players will now have the chance to command the Venom symbiote, unveiling a darker side to Peter Parker's Spider-Man persona. The symbiote suit introduces prototype-esque mechanics and combat moves, elevating the gaming experience with enhanced verticality in combat. Insomniac has clearly stepped up the combat system for an even more engaging adventure. Marvel's Spider-Man 2 introduces a character-switching feature between Miles Morales and Peter Parker, reminiscent of the mechanics seen in GTA 5. The game expands its horizons with an updated map, now encompassing additional districts like Queens and Brooklyn. Visually, the game takes a leap forward with significant updates to graphical fidelity and added details. Expect a gaming experience with ray tracing enabled at all times, providing the option to toggle between RT quality and RT performance based on your preferences. And there you have it. That concludes today's video on the top games for the PlayStation Portal. Are you planning to snag one for yourself? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy gaming.